What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Accent remote key fob. This Accent key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change the battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look at the top of it, we see there's this little notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, make sure I'm pushing all the way in, and then I'm just going to twist like that. And as I do that, it pops the two halves of the shell apart. We can pull them the rest of the way off, and we see our battery right here. Now what I'm going to do is if you just push up slightly on the buttons, that board will come up a little bit, and it will give us room to slide this battery out. So go ahead and slide the old battery out of that holder. Then we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide that battery back in the holder. Tuck that circuit board down, and then we'll snap the two halves of the shell back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.